Subscribe now. Asus Zenfone 4 Selfie DC, ZD553KL, smartphone was launched in August 2017. The phone comes with a 5.50-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 720 pixels by 1280 pixels. Asus Zenfone 4 Selfie DC, ZD553KL, price in India starts from Rs. 9,999. The Asus Zenfone 4 Selfie DC, ZD553KL, is powered by 1.4 GHz octa-core Snapdragon 430 processor and it comes with 4 GB of RAM. The phone packs 64 GB of internal storage that can be expanded up to 128 GB via a microSD card. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Asus Zenfone 4 Selfie DC, ZD553KL, packs a 16-megapixel primary camera on the rear and a 20-megapixel front shooter for selfies. The Asus Zenfone 4 Selfie DC, ZD553KL, runs Android 7.1.1 and is powered by a 3000 mAh non-removable battery. It measures 155.66 by 75.90 by 7.85, high-text width x thickness, and weigh 144.00 grams. The Asus Zenfone 4 Selfie DC, ZD553KL, is a dual SIM, GSM and GSM, smartphone that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, USB OTG, 3G and 4G, with support for Band 40 used by some LTE networks in India. Sensors on the phone include proximity sensor, accelerometer,